Brand new water hose line from Roto. Already bust within a month's time. Supposed to be top notch professional plumbing company. Cost over $1,000 for them to come in and install this. Flooding up the entire puddle. You got a puddle down, come all out. Water leaking all through the walls. This was $1,000-something of so-called professional service get you. They telling me 30 minutes or longer wait time to come out and fix.